Lotus Root. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. I got this big smile on my face. I'm super excited for this Lotus Root. I've had them before in hot pot dishes, but I've never cooked. The texture of this is kind of like radish, a little bit between potato and radish maybe, in my opinion. So I've got this dish in my mind with which I want to try cooking it. Sichuan style pork slices, a little spicy, numbing, a little sour. So I invite you to stay with me and watch how I make it. Well, here's everything I've got and going to be using for this. Just about 1/4 pound of pork loin, but you can use any meat you want, thinly sliced, or you can completely skip it and just cook the lotus root. The star of the show, lotus root. Got a green onion, garlic, ginger, just about a tablespoon, Sichuan peppercorns, dried chilies, spicy fermented black bean paste with chili. This is a good heaping tablespoon. Got a cornstarch, sesame oil, Shaoxing wine, black vinegar, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and the white pepper. Let's first marinate the meat. So the cooking wine, this cap is like 3/4 tablespoon. Couple tablespoons of the soy sauce, some cornstarch, mix. Cornstarch is a great tenderizer for meat, if you do choose to use a meat here. So mix until there's no more liquid seen. Sesame oil, just a couple drizzles to prevent the meat from sticking to each other when you cook. Now add sesame oil at the end after the cornstarch, because if you add oil in the beginning, it will create protective film on the meat and the cornstarch won't be able to act properly. Almost forgot the white pepper. Mix. Okay, now set aside. Alright, so I got all of the aromatics chopped up here. Onion, 3 cloves garlic, a little bit of ginger in matchsticks, and then this will be for garnish, green parts of the green onion. Let's get the star of the show taken care of. So I just rinsed it real quick under simple running water. Cut the ends off. Really pretty. Now if you have like a potato peeler, that will work just fine. This thing is a pretty hard vegetable. I mean, so when you cut into it, kind of like radish, you know, mean it. I'm going to go with thin slices. If you cut into slices that are thicker than that, I recommend you boil the root first for maybe a minute or two, because it's going to be way too hard, but these should be just fine. Okay, wok is hot, I'm ready to cook. Just add a tablespoon or 2 of non-flavored oil of your choice. First, let's season oil with Sichuan peppercorns and the chilies. Really quick, make sure not to burn it. And that's okay that it doesn't sizzle right away. Better be safe. And when you can smell it, it's done. You can also possibly can see how the oil color got richer. But I want to keep them. We'll add them again later. Pork goes in. Feel like this is a little bit too much oil. Remember, you can always adjust this. There, much better. And when the meat is no longer pink, ginger, garlic, onion. Make room in the center. Chili bean paste. Give it a little bit of a toast. It's always nice. Mix everything now. Lotus roots. Splash of light soy sauce. Dark. Peppers back in. Turn off the heat to round things off, sesame oil, a splash of black vinegar, beautiful, delicious, flavorful dish. Super excited to try it. Got a piece of pork with the lotus root. You hear the crunch? What a delicious dish. And it was really easy to make. Came together really quick too. Lotus root gives nice contrast. This one is pretty spicy, numbing, low sour, everything that I wanted. I hope that you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Wish you nothing but the best. Till next time.